This video is going to be just my own opinion and thought. Okay, let's start with the disclaimer. Nothing with the channel content is professional and no financial advice. Everything is just my own opinion and perspective as always. And today we are 5.73% down, and my previous prediction about KAL, KAL, Kalera Public was bearish. And definitely I'm still bearish. Yesterday we were bearish around 16%, today additional 5 point something. Now obviously we're going to see where the market is going to close. 54 minutes left. Now I think it's going to be the most volatile. Perhaps, perhaps we might as well just break like this on the daily, and then we break this daily bearish range, and then we could look for actually bullish moves. For right now, I'm still bearish. Let me know what are the thoughts. Now, why is that? Because higher time frame. Look at this 3 month chart. I see 6 candles. So like three of them were flat, like nothing was going on pretty much. Now these super high volume candles on to the downside. Yeah, this is why I'm bearish. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye and see you.